Hello friends, till now we have seen the load method which loads content dynamically. Then we have seen how we can send, get and post HTTP request using jQuery. But the actual Ajax operation in jQuery is done using $.ajax method. Let's see how we can do that. So here we have an HTML file where we have an input field and we have a button, a submit button. So currently it is doing nothing and we have another div of response. So again, just like our previous lectures, here the user will write his name and then he will click on submit and here the response will be shown. So let's see how we can handle it and we will try to make it more spicy. So let's see how we can do that. So let's open this jQuery Ajax HTML. This is the one. Let's click on submit. Nothing is happening. So first we need to handle the click event. So dollar inside quote hash button dot click function. Now here we will be handling the Ajax request. How? Using $.ajax method. So inside this parenthesis we'll be having like this. So inside parenthesis you will have a curly brace and of course this is a statement and that's why we will have a semicolon at the end. Now here you will have some attributes. The first one is URL. Then you need to write here inside single quote the URL. So where you are sending the request. So currently we are sending it to jQuery ajax.php. So let's write here jQuery ajax.php. Then provide a comma and you need to write here another attribute or parameter, whatever you say, and that is on success. So on success, what will happen? Provide a function. It will have data. So this is the response. This data is the response. Let's write here response so that it makes some sense. So this is the response which is coming from this URL. It accepts some other parameters also, but for now let's see how this works. So what we want is, let's save it, and here inside jQuery ajax.php let's write here echo hi, and now let's write that this response class will be loaded with the response that is coming from this URL. So let's write here dollar dot response dot html. Well, let me write here text, then I will write html because I need to show you some difference. So dot text and here write response. Let's save it. Now come here, hit refresh, click on submit. See, there you go, we are getting the response hi. So now here we need to check something. So what we are trying to do, user is writing his name here, then clicking on submit, and the response will be hello, then his name. So we need to pass some variable, right? So for that, let's create a variable name, and that will be equal to dollar hash name, which is the ID of this text, then dot val. which extracts the value from this text box. And let's add here another parameter, that is data, and here inside quote, so we are passing the variable, and here write name equals, then concatenate it. Now here we are writing JavaScript, and since the JavaScript concatenation operator is denoted by plus sign, hence we are denoting it using the plus sign. So now provide the variable name, which is name, and then provide a comma. So URL is this one, so it will be like jQuery ajax.php, then question mark, name equals name. Now automatically this will be a GET request. I will tell you how you can change it to POST, but for now let's see how we can handle this in jQuery ajax.php. Well, still if you submit it, it will say hi only. Say write here something. Now submit it, it is echoing hi, because in jQuery ajax.php we are echoing hi and the response is hi only. So we need to handle it here properly. So let me write here, if is set dollar underscore get name. So we are checking if this name is set. Then we are checking if dollar underscore get name not equals blank. So we are checking that it is not blank. Now create a variable dollar name equals dollar underscore get. So dollar name equals this one, dollar underscore get name. Now let's save it. Let me check if the parentheses are right or not. So this is for this if, this is for this one, and why it is here, don't know. Well, let's save it, and now echo hello, then concatenate it with dollar name. Now let's save it, and now let's handle the else part. Else echo please write your name. Let's save it, come here, hit refresh, submit. Okay, so here we need to close that one. So why I have deleted, I didn't notice this one that is set block. So now let's hit refresh, hit submit. Hello GHH. Well, let's provide here a space. Now let's hit refresh. Let's delete the name. Now click on submit. Please write your name, and let's write here your name. Say John. Hello John. Now let's spice it up. So let's write here hello, then make the name bold, and now close the bold tag. Let's save it, come here, hit refresh, let's submit. Hello B John B. Well, why is this happening? Because here it is written text, so it is showing as text format. Let's change it to HTML. Let's save it, come here, hit refresh, now hit submit. Hello John. Well, also make it italic. Now let's save it, come here, hit refresh, Hello, John. It's kind of cool, isn't it? You can also change the color using CSS. So now here we have seen that it is a get method. Now you can explicitly mention the type of request you want to send by using the type attribute. And here let's write post. And after that, remember you need to put a comma. Now let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. High alert, it will not work. Say it's not working because it's a type of post, and here we are retrieving using get. So let's mention here post. Here also post. And here also post. Let's save it. Come here, hit refresh. Now hit submit. Hello, John. So this is how you can send Ajax request to server. So that's it, friends. I hope that now you are pretty much confident about Jquery Ajax. Well, not only Jquery Ajax, we have also become master in Jquery traversing. So you already know DOM manipulation, DOM traversal, and Jquery Ajax. What else, huh? Okay. So, still there are many more to come. Still there are many more to cover. So now feel yourself confident about jQuery that yes, you can do anything with jQuery. So that's it, friends. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.